What do you want to tell us? Please tell us the name of the person you know.
Yes, we're female.
It's an all-girl group. Do you have any messages for any of us? If so, please share the messages now.
Get up.
Get out. Okay. Did you die here in Hollywood? Sure. Okay. You talk like I do. Sure. Okay.
Killed.
You were killed. Okay. And how were you killed, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dead? Yeah. Who hurt you? I feel a presence tonight, and I want to share this before we go inside. I need you to tell me a name of one of my guests, the one that you're trying to speak to. Please tell me their name.
First Christina too.
Message that you understand. They just took my voice. Literally, they took my voice.
They said give her out of it.
I have this all recorded, so we're going to review all this. Get her out of what?
Tell me now.
So you know who this person
I
is.
think it's my friend that passed away in the summer, Julian.
Julian, are you here? Give us a yes or no, please. Just say it. Julian, are you still here with us? You're a ghost. Yeah. Yeah. You're saying ghost. We are going to go inside here, and before we do, I want anyone who wants to speak with us outside here to tell us about yourself.
That woman said I would.
Yeah. What do you want? What do you want to tell us? Is this anyone we spoke to on the opposite side?
Yes.
Yes. Who are you, please?
Julian! He said Julian. He
said Julian!
That's how we used to talk.
Because on the box he said weeps and...
Who is the woman that told us to get out? Please tell us who you are. Push. Did you get pushed? Is that how you died? Did someone push you? Oh, we're getting a lot now. Look at this.
Sacrifice.
You were sacrificed. So we're on to a whole different ball game right now. We're on to a lot of people.
Talking, yeah. A lot of them are trying to...
Who got sacrificed? Yes. Bishop, do you have something to do with this? Is anybody here? Ladies, excuse me for just a second. Did someone just say fuzzy over there? Fuzzy. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I kept getting.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, Blake. Okay. So, I don't know why the ghost would say fuzzy and then they would say fuzzy, but that's exactly what just happened.
Yeah, threshold test.
Okay.
To hear you talk.
Debbie.
Mad.
It said Debbie. Did you hear that? Or
Yeah, I said Debbie.
Yeah. How do you know Debbie, please? It's Pete. That couldn't be any clearer.
Yeah.
Debbie's there.
Debbie, it's Pete. Okay. It's
Julian, is that you? Are you still here?
yes.
Do you know that you passed away?
Escape. I heard that too. It's boy. All right.
Do you feel you escaped by dying?
Out.
Come on, Julian. Talk to Christina.
Julian! I just want to know that you're okay.
Okay. Right here, right now, before we go into this establishment, how many people are here with us? 10. Please, 8. See, I knew you were lying when you said 10. 8. Please make the devices go off. Thank you. You did that on when I asked.
Red?
Red?
Yeah, it did say Rick.
Rick or red?
Help. It's been saying help nonstop.
Yeah. Hello?
T, is that? Christina's been wondering if you're okay. Please answer her question. This is my homegirl.
It's true.
He said, it said stop it. That sounded
Yeah.
like his voice.
Yeah.
Like he was yelling.
He
Okay.
doesn't want her to be bothered.
There.
Yeah, he's there. He's there.
He's that.
Tina, if you're here, we need a verification. That's a man's voice. Oh shit.
Same way.
Thank you very much for making that go up. Are you someone that stays here on a regular basis? Can you make it go? Oh, red. Look at that. Hers is going red.
Yeah.
So he's here all the time. Okay, I apologize, Albert. Albert, I'm going to call you by the right name. Are you here with us? Thank you for going red. Hurt. 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 Albert, I'm going to call you by the right name. Are you here with us? Thank you for going red.
Your real name Robert?
I apologize for that. I swear I read Robert.
What if it's his stage name though? Red. People change Red.
Was that red or Grant?
Government science.
Government science. I'm going to ask this right here and right now because I don't think we're done with this. Do you know, we're getting incredibly high readings. Do you know
Most stars.
most stars? Well, you got the most stars.
We have
Good
the
one.
stars.
Let me with us. Do you know anybody that's actually with us? Dude, your star is going out of focus right now. Are you standing right here in front of us? We've gone quiet. Yeah. If you're here, we need a verification. Oh shit. We've gone quiet. Is it 10? 8. Please make the devices go off. Thank you. Albert, I'm going to call you by the right name.